A very good morning to all. All the resource persons of this webinar, our Registrar Professor R. Sunandamma, Registrar Evaluation Professor P.G. Tatsar, Dr. Shanta Devi, Chairperson Department of Library and Information Science, In charge Librarian Dr. Gavisiddappa Anandalli, participants and dear students. Department of Library and Information Science and Library of Karnataka State Akkamahadevi Women's University are jointly organizing a 5 days national level webinar on research and publication ethics. I'm very happy to inaugurate this webinar, which has been organized to guide to students, scholars, and professionals. This webinar provides a platform to how to start research, how to use available tools and techniques, and how to complete and come out with quality research. The objectives of this webinar focuses on develop research skills and competency for the quality research. It also provides awareness about research metrics, tools, techniques, anti-plagiarism tools, which is very much required to the researcher. According to the new regulations of UGC, UGC has made research and publication ethics as a compulsory subject for all the newly registered PhD students. This webinar will focus on basics of research philosophy, ethics of research, publication ethics, research integrity, research misconduct, and journals, indexing, and citation databases, open access publications, research metrics, and anti-plagiarism tools and software. It starts with basics of research and ends with research metrics, which are used for assess the research quality. Karnataka State Akkamahadevi Women's University, Vijaypura, organizing this webinar for the first time on this topic to fulfill the requirement of the UGC for research aspect. This is very much needed, and this will help particularly the newly registered research scholars for PhD. This webinar also ensure about publication ethics, which is helpful to research publications with quality research and improve their citation index. I wish this webinar all success and would certainly look forward to see the outcomes. I once again greet all the teachers, participants, and students who have virtually assembled here. I also compliment the organizers for conducting this function in a befitting manner. Thank you one and all.